Hey guys, I know it has been forever. It has been extremely long since the last time I have seen you guys. So, think that me being home for quarantine would mean that I'm able to record more. No, that's not the case. My parents put on a whole bunch of limits because I screwed up on the first week of quarantine. Which is okay. It's fine with me. It's fine. So, this is the world that I was working on. I have a completely new world. Like, not completely new world, but I've been able to figure out how to get out of not being able to play Minecraft. So, this just me to catch you up. I moved to a completely new house. So, this is my original house, this big brown house right here. This is my garden. I'll show you inside my house now. So, my dogs I just got today. This is my bathroom. Toilet, shower, sink. I never go in there because I'm usually busy. Here's my music playing room. That's terrible music. You guys can't even hear it. It's fine. This is my dining room. Yeah, you guys are glad that you can't hear that music. Alright. This down here is my chest room, along with everything else. We got a loom. We got brewery stand, grindstone. It's really low. Grindstone. Anvil, all that stuff. And of course I have a whole chest of cobblestone, which is pretty cool. And it's my dog names that I remember because I don't have any dog name tags. Sorry. So Gray is the one with the red collar, and BB is the one with the yellow collar, and then you got Tay. I have a funny story that I'll tell you guys later. This is my enchantment room. It's still a work in progress. This over here is just an exit because I kept going over there and then kept coming back. This is my nether portal. That is where I talk to Minecraft gods to get insightful stuff. I don't know if I said that right. This is my second garden. I just made this today too. And here's my, I call it my nether house. Basically, I made it out of stuff from the nether. And all this stuff. I have nothing in this chest. I don't sleep in this house. Alright, so that's that. I have a mine. I also have a mine in my basement that I'm now starting to use. I have this mine. I haven't gone mining in forever until today. I did a lot today, because I think I already said that. I don't really know. But yeah. So, I started a new mine. Those are my dogs. Hey, he grew up! Hey! BB! Wait, no, you're not. No. The yellow one is Gray. This one's BB. Hey, BB! Hello! You are such a pretty puppy as you are. Continue. Yeah. This was actually really fun to make. Kind of. Not really. Kind of boring. My hidden house. Yeah, it wasn't very fun to make. I don't know why I said it was fun to make. Wait, I have a hidden house. See, I have all this stuff, like I'm getting prepared to make a realm. But yeah, so this is the saddest thing. This is why Minecraft gods will never give me a pet. So I have Sally, a loving pet and friend. This is my first dog. I have some crying obsidian. You know, get off my graveyard. Yeah, so I have crying obsidian. This is my first dog, which is why she has so many things. Then I have Kitty Kitty. She was my first kitty, but I don't have as many cool things as I did then. There's my kitty, and then we have Mama Dog, and then we have Stanley. Yeah, funny thing about this was Mama Dog was a loving friend. She was a mom and a granny, and Stanley was a son and a dad. Sad thing about it was Stanley was Mama Dog's son, and he was puppy. So basically, Kitty, Mama Dog, Stanley, and Puppy, they disappeared. Like, I couldn't find them anywhere, so I just called them dead and then made graves for them. And then this one, Emma, she was a doggy, clearly. So I have them separated by the bones and then the fish. Here's Lulu. She was only a puppy when she died. She got blown up by a creeper. And here's Hammy. And she's not a puppy. No, he grew up. Yeah. But, yeah. This is how many dogs I've had died in the past, like, week, I think. Creeper. Why? Did I forget to close my door again? Wait, yeah, I did. Alright. So, I can't do this. No. I've had so many pets get killed by creepers. I kid you not. So, saddest thing about one of these was when I accidentally killed a pet. This was Hammy. There was a zombie, and I backed up into Hammy, and he got dead. And it was very sad. Over there is where I found Kitty. There's also a village there. Okay. I'll show you. Wait, I have to show you over there again. So over here was, I think, yeah, it was Lulu's. She was killed by. So a crazy computer glitch happened, and it like glitched me out. But a creeper blew up as that was happening, and I couldn't save. Poor Lulu when she was only a little puppy. This is a nice ravine. Stupid creeper, get out of here. Alright, so there's that, and then here is where Emma died by, yeah, a creeper surprise attack. I didn't see the creeper coming whatsoever. Alright, come here, creeper. Come here, creeper. Come here. Yeah. Ow. Wait. Ow, why am I not pressing shift? Thank you. Blow up, stupid. Boom! So, eat. Alright, yeah, so let's continue. This was an ad that I made. I don't really know why. Yeah, I haven't looked at my YouTube channel also in forever. So, I may have lost some subscribers. I don't really know. I know one time I lost one subscriber. I had 9 and then I down to 8. I am not doing very good. But yeah, I would love if more people subscribe. I don't know how many people are subscribed now. There's probably only one left, if not, if that. Alright, come here, boy. The punks. Alright, so over here I got attacked by a horde of zombies. And this is where Sally died. Yep. Really, creeper. Punk. Six punks. Boom. If someone can tell me how I can make those zombie villagers get healed up, that would be very nice. Oop, miss me. So, if I can just get to those signs, that would be very nice, but there's monsters that keep spawning. How many monsters does there need to be? Whoa. I am struggling here. Oh, an Enderman. I need that guy. I'm sorry for stealing your sacrifices. Here, take some bread. Ah. Hey, don't look at that. Huh? Don't you dare look at that. Alright, so what it says is... Oops. So it says, Sally's last stand, bravery at the greatest, death by a zombie defending her honor, pure loyalty, her loved by everyone, and everything we love, Sally. Is this Sally or was it Sandy? I think it was Sally. Alright, where'd that Enderman go? Come here, Underboy. Oh, there he is, there he is, there he is, there he is. I saw him, I saw him, I saw him. Come here, Underboy, I'm gonna look at you, I'm gonna look at you. Come here, boy. I'm gonna demolish your face. Very much. Ooh. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Come here, punk. I'm gonna kill you. Spidey, 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 Spidey. Zombie, zombie, zombie. What's up, dude? Punk. Did you die? Come on, come on. Come on. Alright. Nope, okay. Guys, look at that. They're fighting. Yo, give me some popcorn! Woo! My bet's on the skeleton. Let me help demolish this dude. I got your back, zombie. Oh yeah, I hate you guys. Yeah, I just jumped through him. Oh my god, I'm low on health. I'm low on health. You got killed by your own arrow. Oh yeah, I'm heading back. Ow. What's up, zombie? Yeet. I think I might make up. I think I have some potatoes in there. What's up, bro? Let's fight. Let's fight. Let's fight. I am really low on health right now. Right. Zombie, zombie, zombie. Why can't I just get a break? Anything, Andy? Why is it taking so long? Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna start. What's up? Where's Enderman? Enderman, where's Enderman? Enderman? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Alright. I don't have a lot of ender pearls. I wish you could fly. What's up, dude? Just catch you all up. I'm gonna head inside, take a nap, and then I will end the video. So, as usual, I'm going to ask for you guys to, you know, tell everybody about my videos. I know they're not the best videos in the world. They're usually really short. But, you know, it makes me feel happy. And, you know, I really like it when people watch my videos. And when I find more subscribers. So it'd be really nice if you guys just told others about this. You know, and yeah. Also, I've been getting ready to fight. That's my dog. I've been getting ready to fight bosses, so I know they're not good yet. That's why I have my. I just need more diamonds, and I only have 2 diamonds, so I need to do mining, which I absolutely hate mining, but whatever. So I know I'm sorry that I've done so much without you guys, but you know, I haven't been able to get on Google Chrome. But as usual, like and subscribe, tell other people about my videos, comment about stuff, you know, comment about anything. I like reading comments, you know. So yeah. Thank you, everybody, and I will see you next time.